Hello guys, thanks for watching my videos. Today I am going to share another delicious recipe of Kunafa. So now let's move towards the ingredients. First of all, you need Kunafa dough, 1 cup of cheese, 50 gram of sweet condensed milk, 1 pack of cream, and 4 garnishing of Kunafa. We need 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, some cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of raisins. Now let's prepare the Kunafa. First of all, moist the Kunafa with melted butter. Pour the melted butter into the Kunafa, then mix it well. Mix well the melted butter into the Kunafa dough. Now we have to grease the baking dish with some melted butter. Place the 1 layer of Kunafa into the baking dish. Now we have to garnish it with nuts. Now we have done our garnishing. Let it bake for 20 minutes. Put it in preheated oven. The temperature of the oven should be 180 centigrade. Wow, it looks delicious. Our Kunafa is ready to eat now.